Hi, I'm Dave from Sicard RV, and today we're going to be walking you through the brand new 2021 Seismic 4212. The 4212 is a wide-body 102-inch fifth wheel. It also comes standard with a 5,500 watt Onan Cummins generator. The 4212 comes standard with equalizer automatic leveling jacks, the MORryde step above step, and two, not just one, two party decks. At the back we're looking at the 4212's loading ramp, which actually doubles as the second deck. It can be raised up and attached with cables, so you can use this area for living space as well. The 4212, like all Jaycos, comes with Goodyear Endurance tires. It may not sound like a big deal, but the difference in quality of tires is massive when you're carrying a load like this. The 4212 comes with a large TV, an electric fireplace. It actually doubles as a heater as well for an extra heating source. This very spacious four-seater couch, which you can actually use as an eating area as well. Inside the 4212, we have this door leading to our exterior deck. As we come back in again, we have the solid surface counters in the kitchen area. We have double stainless steel sinks. We have an oven with a 3-burner stove, a large microwave, and tons of cabinet space. Just over here we have the 13.5 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator. We have a huge pantry with lots of storage for your canned goods and other products. On the door, there's a ladder that accesses the loft upstairs. This is the master bathroom in the 4212. Has a humongous shower, gorgeous solid surface countertop sink, and toilet. In the master bedroom, we have a king-size bed, tons of wardrobe storage. Back here it's prepped for a washer dryer, stackable, and we have a 40-inch Furrion TV in the bedroom as well. Back in the garage area, we have this table with lots of seating for all your guests. This seating area actually doubles as a queen-size bed. There's another queen-size bed up here that comes down, so you'll have double bunk beds back here to accommodate lots of sleeping. The 4212 has the extra bathroom in the back, which is a great feature. Comes with a sink outside, a toilet, and bathtub with shower inside. Thank you very much for watching our video on this 2021 Seismic 4212. For any information on this unit or any other units at Sicard's, please contact us directly at sales@sicardrv.com.